Happy birthday, Ate Mimay! 1, 2, 3, sing!
Happy birthday, Ate Mimay. Happy birthday, Ate Mimay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! We miss you! We love you! Bye-bye!
Hi Mimay, happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo na ma-achieve mo sana lahat ng goal mo this year. And sana maging masaya ka. Kahit wala ko. Medyo lang. Basta happy birthday Mimay!
Transition. Ayan. Hello Shalane, nandito sa account ko ay gabi. Ayan. Happy birthday Shalane. Happy 16th birthday. So tanda ka na naman sa akin. Daya ng panahon. Pero I just want to say I wish na simplihan ko lang na I wish na nawa pagpalain ka pa nawa ng Panginoon, sumukas mo ng pananampalataya mo at nawa ay magamit ka, maging active ka sa gawain ng Panginoon. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Mimay. More birthdays to come and God bless you.
Shalane, it's your day. Happy birthday. Happy 16th birthday. God bless you and your family too. Blessings to come to you and your family. Stay pretty kind and loving person to your friends and loved ones. And also may your wishes comes true. And wishing you good health and also come closer to God. Share the gospel to grow as a Seventh-day Adventist, as a Christian as well. Also, don't forget to pray to God. And this is my birthday greetings to you. Happy birthday again. Sincerely, Matt, here from Taytay, Rizal.
Hi! Vlog mo to girl, charet. So, happy birthday to our one and only Tamimay. Ayan, happy... Napang ka na ba, girl? I think 16. You're 16 na. Ayan, happy 16th birthday. Nakakatampo lang kasi hindi tayo nagkita bago ako umalis. But I always promise na magkikita tayo when I will back to Manila. Pero ayun nga, tadhana talaga. Pinagtagpo tayo pero hindi talaga tayo tinadhana. Charet! Hindi kita love life, girl. And ayun, so happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo sama pa rin ng with honors tonight. Alam kong stress ka na ngayon sa mga gawain dyan. Pero ayun, always move forward kahit nakakapagod, kahit madaming assignment. Always pray and Lord will guide you. And also me, ayun yung lagi kong ginagawa. And also, being your sister, your long sister, and always run at me, girl. And andito lang ako, kahit malayo ako sa'yo, ay always mga kapatid. Always ay magkapatid. At chismisan, hindi mamawala yan sa pamilya natin, girl. Ayan, ang chika bells ay nasa akin pa rin. Charin. Ayan, happy birthday ng Panginoon. Love you, mama. Bye!
Happy birthday, Mai. Wishing you lots of love and happiness. May God's light continue to guide your path.
Happy birthday, Shalane. Make your day happy and happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Wish ko sa'yo, sana habaan pa yung patient mo dahil minsan, alam mo yun, wala ka namang dalaw pero mas how about, papaano pag ikaw ng partner, diba? You need to be more patient because minsan alam mo, nag-aawat ng kaibigan mo, minsan hindi sila may problema ikaw kasi ugali ka at wala kang pake. So ngayong birthday mo, atong pake. Nabibigil ako sa'yo, yung ugali mo, ha? Ayusin mo dahil hindi lang ikaw ang nakatira sa mundong ito. So yan lang, nandito ako to guide you. Wala kang pake sa akin, wala din akong pake sa'yo. Pero, you know how Kuya roll, you know that. Wala kang papasa, here I am, send me Lord, I will go. Basta yun. Happy birthday, Shalane, and more punch to come. Every day, every night, every year. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mai. Wish ko lang sa'yo is stay healthy and good luck sa studies mo. And sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Yun lang. Always pray to God and more birthdays to come. I love you.
Happy 16th birthday, Tamimay. Tamimay ng Tamimay. Happy 16th birthday, May. Wish ni Wendell. Ano kaya yung wish ni Wendell?
Wish ko para sa birthday mo is maging maligaya ka sa araw na to kasama ang Panginoon. Magkaroon ka sana ng pinakamatibay na guidance sa protection na magagaling sa Kanya. At naway sana yung maging magandang instrumento ka sa Panginoon. Yung talento mo, chorister ba yun?
Ipagamit mo lang.
Ipagamit mo lang. At yung dawa na sinasabi natin, kung di man talaga makayong tao din.
Aray ko!
Pwede depende, ganun. Isa pa, sana maganda yung pagiging mo, dalaga days mo. Magtuloy-tuloy yun ng maligaya ka.
Ayan, May. Ayan, wish ko rin sa'yo, May, na ayan, maging mabuting pinsan, mabuting anak sa iyong mga magulang. Ayan yung pinaka-importante. At yung pag-aaral mo, huwag mong pababayaan. At yung mga dreams mo ay syempre, alam mo matutupad yan kasi kayang-kaya mo yan. At yun, dalaw kayo dito minsan. At happy birthday. At si Jaser, may sasabihin daw si Jaser. Yan.
Hindi ko lang yun.
Happy birthday lang kayo.
Happy birthday,
Ate
Mimay.
Yan, sige.
Ano wish mo?
Wish mo.
Wish you.
Wish you
All the best.
and the best.
Yeah, okay. Ayan, May. Once again, happy birthday, May.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Happy
birthday
16th birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hindi naman kami makapunta dyan ng physical, pero nandyan rin naman kami. Nandyan rin kami, pinagpipray ka namin. Yan. Sige. Bye-bye.
Spiritual.
Happy birthday.
Birthday, Mike. Huwag may kakalimutan.
Hi, Mimay. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay... Yun lang. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mi.
Happy birthday, Mimay!
Happy birthday, Shalane. Happy
Happy 16th birthday.
Ayan. Happy birthday lang kami, my love.
Happy birthday, Mai!
Happy birthday.
Happy 16th birthday, Tamimay.